Zucchini and taco boats, let's make them. First, cut your zucchini in half and bake at 350 for about 20 minutes. Next, take your ground beef and your onions and fry. And if you have leftover beans, you can throw those in there too. Head out to the garden for your green peppers and chop up. Canned tomatoes from last year, folks, gotta be in there. And if you like it hot, go in with some jalapenos from the garden. Next, take about half of this package and add to your mixture. Dehydrated cilantro, sprinkle a few sprinkles in there. Remove the boats from the oven. Add some of this stuff in. It's made local. Put it on high. Get rid of some of that moisture. Next, stuff the boats like they're Noah's Ark. Most of the moisture's drained. Now time to stuff. Don't forget to add the cheese. Back in oven for 20 minutes. Don't forget to save your seeds. Remove from oven. Make a nice mixture of sriracha, Hidden Valley Ranch, and some sour cream. Zucchini taco boats, folks. Do it up. Yum.